Hello. How are you? It's gonna be like 20 minutes.
Okay.
I got you, no problem. There you go. So I'm gonna be in my car.
Okay.
I'll see you in a bit.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hey, how's it going? Your phone is ready.
¿Sí quedó bien?
Check it out.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Yeah, for sure. Of course.
So everything's fine, right?
Yeah, everything is working great. That's just the film. Comes right off
Oh, okay.
the case for free. This is a Blue Element MagSafe wallet.
All right, thank you so much.
For sure.
Thank you
Appreciate you guys.
so much.
All right, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.